Hey, this is Steve from afepower, and today I wanted to show you how to install a rev nut like when installing our rock sliders or side steps for the Subaru. We've been having some installers and customers having some problems, so today I want to give you some tips on how to install them properly. If it's your first time installing a rev nut and you are installing our rock sliders or side steps, it's best to start with the ones on the bottom. It's thicker metal down here, it's more forgiving than it is up here. So with our provided tool, you have two ends. You have your M6 and then you have your M8. Up here, your rev nuts is going to use the M6 side of the tool. And what you want to do is you want to prepare with the provided bolt and hardware, add a little bit of grease to the top of that washer there so it doesn't dig in when installing the rev nut. Put it in on the, insert it on the M6 side. And then there's going to be a smooth side and a rough side to this lock washer here. Smooth side, you want it towards the tool. The rough side of the lock washer is going to be towards the rev nut. Install your M6 rev nut and get it going by hand. And then with a torque wrench, you want 6 foot-pounds of torque. And then you're going to feel the tool pull itself to the body. That's when you're getting close to that 6 foot-pounds of torque. Go nice and slow, don't overdo it. Right there. Now you are ready to go ahead and remove the bolt and the tool. When removing, your bolt should unscrew smoothly. After installing your rev nut, you want to make sure that your bolt is threading in nice and smooth. And right there, you are done. And now I wanted to show you how a rev nut is designed and how it works. So there's some knurling that acts as grip. There's a smooth body portion in there that is designed to crush down and it mushrooms into the sheet metal or the panel. So when tightening to 6 or 8 foot-pounds of torque on our rev nuts, it should look something like that on the inside where it mushrooms down and grabs it as a nut that's locking it to the body. And that's why they call it a rev nut.